In this episode, we'll discuss how to syllabicate magic E words. Did you know that a syllable is a single sound of a spoken or written unbroken word? Some words have more than one syllable. When you are trying to read words that has many syllables, it might be hard to do. So we can break the word apart to make it easier to read. Let's take a look at this word. The first thing you need to do is find the vowels. So in this word, the vowels are O and A. Now, find the consonant between the vowels. Next, bridge the vowels. Then, draw a line between the first vowel and the consonant. Finally, you need to label the magic E. Now the word is broken up. The first part is LO. We know that if a syllable ends with a vowel, the vowel makes a long vowel sound, so we would pronounce this low. The second part is CATE. It has a silent E, so we know that the A is a long vowel too, so we would say Kate. When we put it together, we get locate. Now, let's practice a few on your own. I will show you a word, and then you will pause the video and syllabicate the word. Then, press play to check your answer. Let's start with this word. Pause the video and syllabicate this word. Then, press play to check your answer. Here's the answer. How did you do? Let's try one more. Pause the video and syllabicate this word. Then press play to check your answer. Here's the answer. How did you do? I hope you like this lesson on Magic E. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more and check out my TPT store for more activities.